In this video, we are continuing our story of AI by looking at how the original attention is all you need design has been refined, optimized, and adapted for specific tasks like classification and search. The first chapter of today's story is about optimization. While the original transformer was groundbreaking, researchers soon realized it could be made more efficient. One key evolution is how the model understands the order of words. While early models added fixed mathematical curves to word embeddings, modern models like Llama use Rotary Positional Embeddings, ROPE. This technique rotates the mathematical vectors of words in space based on their position, allowing the AI to understand the relative distance between words more naturally. We also saw improvements in how models stabilize their learning, moving from post-layer normalization to pre-layer normalization, a simple shift in where we clean up the data that dramatically speeds up training. The second chapter introduces the Encoder-only family headline by BERT. Unlike the full transformer, which translates between languages, BERT focuses entirely on understanding. It is bidirectional, meaning it looks at the words both to the left and the right of every single token simultaneously. To train BERT, researchers used a clever game called masked language modeling, where they hide certain words in a sentence and force the AI to guess them using the surrounding context. However, BERT was often too large for real-time use. This led to distill BERT, which uses a process called knowledge distillation. Think of it like a teacher model, BERT, showing a student model, distill BERT, exactly how it thinks. By learning the teacher's probability distributions instead of just the final answers, the smaller student model can retain 97% of the performance while being 40% smaller and 60% faster. We also saw Roberta, which proved that by simply training the model on more data for a longer time and removing unnecessary tasks like next sentence prediction, we could push the boundaries of accuracy even further. Today, while large language models, LLMs, often use only the decoder side to generate text, these encoder-only models remain the gold standard for classifying sentiments, extracting information, and powering the search engines we use every day. To